Hello little kids, today I will learn you how to write ABC. One slanting line, another slanting line and a sleeping line. This is A. A for apple. One standing line and small curve. Two curve. This is B. B for balloon. Draw a left side big curve. And this is C. C for cat. One standing line and a right side curve. And this is D. D for dog. One standing line and three sleeping lines. This is E. E for elephant. One standing line, one sleeping line, another sleeping line. This is F. F for fish. Draw a left side big curve and a small sleeping line and a small standing line. This is Z. Z for goat. One standing line, another standing line and a small sleeping line. This is H. H for horse. One small sleeping line, another standing line and a sleeping line. This is I. I for ice cream. One sleeping line and a standing line, then a curve. This is Z. Z for jug. One standing line and one slanting line, another slanting line. This is K. K for kite. One standing line and a sleeping line. This is L. L for lion. One standing line, small slanting, another small slanting and a standing line. This is M. M for mango. One standing line and a slanting line, another standing line. This is N. N for nest. Draw a circle and this is O. O for owl. One standing line and a small curve. And this is P. P for parrot. Draw a circle and draw a small turn. And this is Q. Q for queen. One standing line, small curve and a slanting line. This is R. R for rabbit. Draw a curve, another curve, and this is S. S for sun. One sleeping line and a standing line. This is T. T for tiger. Draw a curve like me, and this is U. U for umbrella. One slanting line, another slanting line. This is V. V for van. One standing line, slanting line, and a standing line. This is W. W for watch. One slanting line over another slanting line. This is X. X for xylophone. One slanting line, another slanting line and a standing line. This is Y. Y for yak. One sleeping line and a slanting line and another sleeping line. This is Z. Z for zoo. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.